What's the meaning of capital gains tax? Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax.
Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax. Capital gains tax refers to a tax on the profit earned from the sale of an asset such as property or stocks. The tax is based on the difference between the purchase price and the selling price of the asset. The main objective of imposing capital gains tax is to generate revenue for the government and to discourage frequent buying and selling of assets. The rate of capital gains tax varies by country and can have a significant impact on an individual's overall investment returns.